Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, let's have a look at today's lesson. Will and shall, future simple. Let's explore how to talk about the future using will and shall in English grammar. And once again, the lesson has been prepared by Alfred Grobler. Okay, let's dive in. Talking about the future. Firstly, predictions. We use will to predict future events. It shows what we think will happen. Secondly, spontaneous decisions. We use will for the decisions made at the moment of speaking. And thirdly, offers and suggestions. Shall is preliminary used for making offers and suggestions. Okay, let's look at the structure of will. Firstly, the subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, right? Secondly, will always stays the same. Thirdly, the base verb. The simplest form without to. Example, they will arrive tomorrow. He will be going to school tomorrow. Okay, and let's look at the structure of shall. Right, here you can see we've got three things coming up. Subject, restriction, only used with I or we. Important to remember that, right? Question form, often used in questions. Formal usage, more common in British English. Example, shall we go for a walk? Shall I close the window? Shall I buy you an ice cream? Okay, let's move on to will for predictions and decisions, right? Remember, we said just now that will be used for predictions and decisions. Let's have a look at it. Predictions, I think it will be a good movie. The weather will improve tomorrow. She will love this gift. These are all predictions, guys. And decisions, spontaneous decisions. I will have the chicken, decided right now. I will help you with that. We will take the early train. These are all decisions that you are taking right at the spur of the moment. Okay, let's look at some practice exercise. Fill in the blanks. Guys, like always, you've got some exercise to do. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And like I always tell you every time, pause the video, grab hold of your notebook and start doing it in your notebook. And once you've completed doing that in your notebook, then we watch the video further to make sure or to check your answers. And like always, without failure, here is the first one. They will arrive at 8 p.m. Righto guys, now you're on your own. Take your time and try and answer them as accurate or correctly as what you possibly can. And should you make any mistake or you're not sure, you can always just rewind the video a little bit and review the lesson again.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Righto guys, I assume that you paused the video and you have answered all the questions, and you are very anxious to check your work. So let's do it. Great. Check your answers. The first one was given to you, right? Let's go have a look at the next one. Shall I help you with your bags? It will rain tomorrow. Shall we go to the beach? She will call you later. Right guys, you've got all the answers to them. I hope you had them all correct, and like always, if you had them correct, guys, go and treat yourself. Get yourself a special drink and treat yourself. You really deserve it then, huh? because this is not easy, and once you can get this correct over here, you'll become so much more fluent in speaking English. Okay, let's look at making offers and suggestions. Righto, making offers and suggestions. Situation: friend looks tired. Shall I make some tea for you? I will get you a blanket. Situation: deciding on dinner. Shall we go to the Italian restaurant? We will try the new cafe downtown. You can see these are all suggestions that are busy making over here, and also offering, right? Like over here, offering to get him a blanket. Situation: heavy rain outside. Shall I call a taxi for us? I will bring the umbrella. Okay, like always, let's go look at our key takeaways from doing this lesson. The first one, of course, practice daily. Use will and shall in everyday conversations. Guys, the more you use it, the better you'll become at it. Secondly, remember usage differences. Will for predictions, shall for offers with I and we. Shall only works with I and we in proper English. Many people will be using he, she, or it, but it's not 100% correct. And thirdly, master the structure. Subject plus will or shall plus the base verb.